Hey guys, Bryan Fuller here. Want to show you a pretty cool little machine from Lincoln Electric. This is the LE31MP, and the MP stands for multi-process. And multi-process means you can do TIG, you can do stick, and you can also do wire feed out of one machine. Now that's a pretty cool group of functions that you can do out of one tool that's not that expensive. And a lot of capability for your home shop, let's say, where you want to be able to use 110 volt, you want to be able to, MIG on a car frame, or hey, by chance, you want to pull out your TIG torch and actually do a little TIG welding, which is what we're going to show you today, and do a little TIG welding on like a patch panel. And this is a Tesla-powered 69 Cougar. And we really thought we weren't going to have to strip the stupid thing, but come to find out, we had some bad patches. So we've made a couple. Come on in, we've got them butt welded. Tacked in, that is. So we're putting the panels in end to end. Ezra's over there getting one all dialed in. And so just to kind of get you going, this is your instruction sheet that you're going to get. We're using a tri-blend tungsten, which is, if you buy your little TIG kit for this machine, you're going to get amperage pedal, or your throttle pedal is what I call it. That varies your amperage. And the TIG is very simple. You've got argon gas coming through here. You're running DC. If we're running on steel, we're going to be running DC. And then we're going to use some filler rod, which is Lincoln Electric ER70-6 is what we're using. Like 025, really thin wire for sheet metal, works nice. And then obviously safety, whoop. Got your safety glasses on. These are UV to keep some rays out. We got our gloves, kind of cool gloves. Look at those, pretty rad, huh? I'm gonna go ahead and brush this a little bit. Obviously, we've got it nice and clean. And let's just go ahead and try it. Now, this is a scratch start machine. Again, being an entry-level machine, that's kind of what you're gonna get, where we're gonna start with it down and use the pedal, and then it's gonna light up, right? Here we go. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna add a little bit of rod. Dab, dab, dab. That's going pretty good. I'm liking that so far. I'm just, varying the pedal a little bit. I'm adding a little bit of rod as I weld. Let's see how that looks. Oh, that's pretty nice, right? Nice and clean. You can see how small and dainty the TIG is. Now I'm gonna skip over kind of like I would in the real world. Here we go. Dropping the pedal, scratch, there we go. She's lit up, and I'm making a little bead, moving to the next little bead, filling as I go. And that's going pretty nice, It's a pretty nice welding little machine. Now, if you're gonna do this in a setting like we are normally, then you would get a more advanced machine that's gonna give you a pedal start or a high frequency start. So like right as you go in, you just hit the pedal, it starts. But again, this is a 3-in-1 machine where you're getting a MIG, arc, and TIG all out of one machine. And I have to tell you, we've had this thing here. We've mainly had it set up as a MIG machine, but it's been a nice little unit. It's small, moves around easy, welds nice. And so a great little guy for a home shop. And anywho, hopefully that kind of helps get you started. Obviously, you can find more at lincolnelectric.com, and they've got a whole range, of course, of the world's greatest welding products right there. See you later.